You know what is this? Hold it in your hand and tell me if you know. You know hold it. You know what?
Look like a Santa Claus.
Look. No, so when me look like if him look like Santa Claus.
Look like a human being.
Look like a human being in a Santa Claus hat.
Yeah.
So Santa Claus and a human being then.
No, Santa in person.
Oh.
See you in person.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to pick your brain now. So because you never see Santa in person, you don't know if Santa a human being.
Right.
So, you ever see God in person?
God.
Yeah.
Well, good understanding when we learn that God is a spirit.
Right.
But we never see a spirit yet.
Never see a
But
spirit.
we believe in a God.
All right. Wish you all the best with the holidays, all right?
Wish
Take
you
care.
the same.
Yeah, man.